Alright, so now I'm going to go over the tear down process of the sewage when you're done camping or the day you're leaving or whatnot. So step one is to turn off the water source. Alright, let's turn it off. Alright. Okay, try to empty out this hose as much as possible. Now you want the green hose. So, connect that there. And you connect the other end here to this part. So what this does is it will help to flush the black water tank. So we're going to open up the black water tank, which right now it's empty, but okay. So then we open up this black water tank. There's a little bit left in there. We run that until it's completely empty, which it is right now. So you turn on the water, you can see the water running. And then here's, so you open this valve or this valve, whichever one that this is not locked in, but as you can see, now you're shooting fresh water back up into the black water tank. And it's gonna fill a little bit, then it's gonna start draining back down again, but the more you flush that black water tank, the better. And as you can tell, it's making its way up there and back. There's still some soap left in there, but this is a great way to flush that tank extra to make sure your drive is as comfortable as possible. Let this go for a minute or so. Then as long as the water's clear, you can turn that off. Let it continue to drain. Go ahead and turn this water off. And with this type of hose, there's still water in the hose, so once you turn it off, just shoot all the water out of it and let that drain. Then turn that off. Now we should be able to take this off.